back to my channel and I hope you're all doing well. दिवाली आ रही है और हम सब लोग बहुत ज़्यादा excited है दिवाली के लिए. मैं तो बहुत ज़्यादा होती हूँ. I love dressing up for Diwali, the vibes of Diwali, the outfits, food and everything. Everyone is so happy and I really love that. But we girls are very confused कि दिवाली पे इतने दिन पे क्या क्या पहना जाए. So for that I keep experimenting with my clothes and make some outfit out of it. And this is what I called jugaad. So I thought to share this jugaad with my girlfriends, that is you guys, so that you girls will also try it out and look special. So yeah, let me tell you one thing, this video will be in two parts. So this is the first part and after this make sure you watch the another part also, which will come up after 2 to 3 days. उससे पहले अगर आपने चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया हो then please make sure you subscribe to my channel और बेल आइकन को भी जरूर दबाना ताकि आपको नोटिफिकेशंस मिल जाएंगे whenever I am uploading any new video. All right, now without wasting any more time, let's get to the हम सब लड़कियों के पास एक लहंगा तो पक्का होता है, राइट? वी हैव वन लहंगा इन आवर वार्डरोब फॉर श्योर. आई एम श्योर लहंगा भी नहीं होता तो एथनिक स्कर्ट तो पक्का होगा. अगर नहीं होता है मेक श्योर यू कीप वन रेडी फॉर योर सेल्फ ताकि आप बहुत सारे आगे के फेस्टिवल्स एंड फंक्शंस में इसको स्टाइल कर सकते हैं. उसके अलावा एक ब्लैक टॉप सबके पास ऑलमोस्ट होता है, अ प्लेन ब्लैक टॉप एंड नथिंग एल्स. सो स्टाइलिंग अ ब्लैक टॉप विथ लहंगा really looks very cool. And to add on to the look, add some really good statement jewelry. This look, I have styled this black top with a pink lehenga that I had got long back from Amazon. काफ़ी अच्छा था, 500 रुपीज़ में फुल ड्रेस था वो. इट वॉज सेमी स्टिच्ड और उसका ब्लाउज अभी मुझे बहुत छोटा हुआ है लेकिन उसका लहंगा वैसा का वैसा है. इट लुक्स रियली ब्यूटिफुल. So I have kept it like that. So that is what we are going to style now. You can wear this a day or two before Diwali and it looks really beautiful. अगर आपको चाहिए तो golden दुपट्टा भी add कर सकते हैं इसमें, which will add on to the look. For this look, I have kept it very minimal. So I have just put up golden earrings, some statement earrings. Then I did not wanted to put a heavy neck piece because already उसका गला पूरा पैक है. उसके लिए ये जुगाड़ किया मैंने कि I had this earrings golden again. So I just put that earring over here on my top and it looked somewhat like लटकन. वो एक चीज की वजह से ड्रेस को बहुत ज्यादा एथनिक वाइब आ गया है. So this is very minimal look and if you love it, you can definitely style it. Now for the second look, we are gonna play with the same लहंगा पर इस बार हम लोग उसे थोड़ा अलग तरह से स्टाइल करके it will look more functional and more festive. It will give more festive vibe. I have put up a golden kurta with the same लहंगा. Golden kurta goes with almost all other dark colors. That's the reason this looked very beautiful on the pink lehenga and I thought to style it. And again to add on more, I added good jewelry on it, nice earrings and दुपट्टा. कुर्ता का नेक तो बहुत ज़्यादा हाई है, उसके लिए I did not thought to put neck piece again on that. Kurta is from Milan and the quality of it is really beautiful. The dupatta is just for ₹80 which I had got from Pimpri Street Market and it went very well with this outfit. So this is how I put up the second outfit. It's not just festivals that you can style it for. You can definitely wear it for other functions also. Very elegant. So yeah, you can definitely style it. And let me know in the comments कैसा लगा आपको. मॉम्स वार्डरोब, तो मम्मा की वार्डरोब से मैं एक बांधनी प्रिंट का ड्रेस लेके आई। दिस ड्रेस वी हैड गॉट इट फ्रॉम फ्लिपकार्ट एंड इट वाज जस्ट फॉर ₹550 और उसका क्वालिटी एंड मटेरियल काफी अच्छा है। एंड देन आई थॉट टू पुट अप अ गोल्डन दुपट्टा बिकॉज इट हैज गॉट गोल्डन बांधनी print on it. Just because of the dupatta, the combination looked very good. So make sure you keep one golden dupatta always in your wardrobe. और ये golden dupatta ना बहुत ज़्यादा ethnic vibes देता है, तुरंत it elevates your look and gives it like all festive या फिर functional look. So yeah, make sure you have a golden dupatta with yourself. Along with that, I styled it with gold jewelry. Again, a golden jewelry because it's more of golden vibe. So yeah, this is how I put the third outfit. I'm again in love with it. अगर आपको ये ड्रेस बाय करना हो तो मैं नीचे लिंक डालती हूँ डिस्क्रिप्शन में. Go and check it out if you love it. आउटफिट विच इज लखनवी कुर्ता, लखनवी चिकनकारी कुर्ता, जो मेरा सबसे ज़्यादा फेवरेट है. आई रियली लव द वर्क ऑफ इट. चिकनकारी वर्क इज द बेस्ट. इट्स सो ब्यूटिफुल एंड सो एलिगेंट एंड उसमें कलर्स तो इतने अच्छे अच्छे मिलते हैं. द पेस्टल कलर्स एंड दे हैव ऑल्सो गॉट सम डार्क कलर्स. So they have got light and dark both colors and both of them look amazing. So for festive season I thought to go with a red chikankari kurti. Red gives more festive vibes. Pastel colors उतने अच्छे नहीं लगेंगे. Especially for Diwali हमें थोड़ा सा bright चाहिए. It should look very good. So yeah, for that I got this red kurta which is from Meesho and I've got this just for ₹500 and I think Lucknowi kurta 500 में इतना आसानी से नहीं मिलता. It's minimum 700 and 800 rupees price. So I got it from Meesho just for ₹500 and it's looking super pretty. So to give it more festive vibes and less casual vibes, I styled it with a white dupatta and a white palazzo and it looked super pretty. It looked a proper kurti set with a dupatta. To add on more, I added oxidized jewelry. Obviously oxidized jewelry looks really good on Lucknowi or chikankari work. So I've got this really beautiful neck piece from Meesho again. And also these beautiful zoom keys, oxidized jewelry, both of them is oxidized. And again this also I've got from Meesho. It's looking super pretty on this entire dress. मैंने style किया, I did not wear this bindi. This will look good, black one will definitely look good, but yeah, to give more of festive vibes I thought to put a red bindi which will add on more to the looks. And I'm in love with this one. ये सिर्फ festivals नहीं, बाकी टाइम भी हम लोग अच्छे से स्टाइल कर सकते हैं. And if you want to get the kurti from Meesho, you can definitely go and check it out. Sharara set that we have got from Meesho and it was somewhere around 450 to 500 rupees. ये range में था वो and बहुत ज़्यादा प्यारा है. I really love this one. And to add on to the look, I have added a golden dupatta again, but yeah, this time it's a different golden dupatta because I thought to style this dupatta in two ways. I carried it just as a normal dupatta also, and later we also made a jacket, an ethnic jacket out of this dupatta. This really elevated the look and इतने कम प्राइस में शायद ये बहुत सही ऑप्शन है. Again to add on more, we added nice earrings and no neck piece because it had a stand collar, a pack stand collar, and neck piece will really not go well with it. So this is how we styled this bottle green Sharara set. And yeah, I hope you love this also. this last minute ethnic outfits or Diwali outfits, and I'll also come up with the second part of this just 2 days after this video. So yeah, please keep watching all my videos, subscribe to the channel, bell icon को दबाना ताकि आपको अगले वीडियो का भी नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाएगा. Alright, that's it for today. I hope you loved this video, and if you did, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also make sure you follow me on Instagram because I keep uploading a lot of videos and lot of reels over there. Apart from that, there are a lot of pictures and a lot of content that I put up over there also. So make sure you go check out my page on Instagram. I hope you use all these techniques and style yourself for this Diwali. And you can share your pictures also on Instagram, and really love if you do so. Alright, dress up well and get ready for this festive season and have fun. Bye!